Let's read. It was a hot summer day in the month of April. The school reopened after Bohag Bihu holidays. Bohag Bihu is celebrated in Assam in the spring season. Two girls, Borosa and Mousomi, were walking to school. Suddenly, Borosa stopped walking. Then she walked over to a tree and cheered with joy. Borosa, Mousomi, look here. What a beautiful flower. Mousomi, it is a foxtail orchid, also known as Kopoful in Assamese. Do you know that it is our state flower? Borosa, oh yes, my mother told me about it. It blooms in the spring season. Mousomi, besides foxtail orchid, different colorful flowers also bloom in the spring season. Nature looks beautiful and fresh in spring. Thank you.